Welcome to Sparkpass. This video is exactly what it sounds like. Every single attraction in the Magic Kingdom at Disney World. Hopefully I don't miss anything. The Magic Kingdom has tons of rides, and if any of these look good to you, maybe you should check them out on your next trip to Disney World. In case you don't know, you can book Fast Passes 30 days before you go to the park, or 60 days before if you are in a Disney World hotel. You will be able to get 3 Fast Passes for any rides, and they allow you to skip the line. Anyone new to Disney, I'll put a Fast Pass symbol if I think you should get a Fast Pass for the ride being shown. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe for more. And without further ado, here we go.
Great cars. We have the 303s, red, yellow, and blue. Then we have
I do like to point out this sandstone rock formation because a lot of people take it for granted. But I think it's one of our goals.
Moments in history, la 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 la. Great moments in history. This one.
Couldn't be any better than they are today. Yes, sir, buildings are towering now.
World, there are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink," to that guy.
I know, sweetie, I know. You gotta let me drive though, just a little bit.
Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
Well, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed the montage of the rides. Comment below which ride you like the most. Make sure to subscribe for more magical videos. Until next time, here on Sparkpass.
Stitch's Great Escape, where you can report